This conference will
Some network issues, I believe. Okay. Okay, now next. Similarly, we'll do one receipt voucher. What is the shortcut key for receipt voucher? So I'll do Aman against reference. So it is asking two. So you can see the credit debit. So I'll do one. I'll pay the complete amount for Aman by SBI Bank. Enter. Now go to your outstandings. Receivables. See, Aman is not there. Last time when we said it was there, right? Now it is not there. That's because he has already the Aman we already paid. Okay. Now next, there will be some damage in the goods what we have received. That is what we have purchased. So we will give the purchase back. That is the purchase written. It is called the debit note. And then we will similarly when we sell, so we get the goods written. So that is the credit note. Please take down one. Credit note, debit note. One second. You take the. Don't take this 1 second. Take debit note first. First we'll do the purchase written. Then yeah, take this. Take down this. Now take the next credit note and together we can do, because now you are already hands on with purchase and sales voucher, right? So we can do these two. Friday. Okay. Maybe Monday only I'll start GST. let's see, I can just start a little theory topic tomorrow. It's already Thursday.
Ma'am, just for a second, can you share the previous slide, ma'am?
Yeah. Correct, 1 second.
You can change it, ma'am.
Okay. Done, everyone? So, what does the first question say? Debit note. Company purchase 150 Whirlpool. I think you have the same questions. I'll just show you how to do the depreciation with one of my purchases. Okay. So debit note. I have one purchase with Aman. Item invoice mode. So what was the item we purchased from Aman? I don't know.
Washing machine 150.
No, I think these are all from different books I did, I think. So I did 100, I believe. 20 I will return in. See, against reference. Automatically it will coming against reference. Why? Because one new reference is already been done. Correct? In the purchase voucher, we have taken new reference, and for that new reference, I am returning some goods. So for this bill, I am giving the against reference of 2000. So automatically 2000 of that 38 lakhs will get deducted. Okay, please do it. Somebody wanted to say something.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the party account name. Instead, I'm getting the debit.
That's what you need to do control plus H, and then you need to convert that into item invoice mode. You'll be under voucher mode. You need to do that into item invoice mode. If it's only the amount and it doesn't matter which mm, product for you, then you can do it in this mode only. But then you know the products, right? So you do it in this way.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
hello?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
tell me.
just once, please, can you repeat it, ma'am? I was unable to see.
Take the party name, purchase account, select any. See here it got reduced, right? It was 80 numbers. It came to 60 numbers because we returned 20 numbers. I'll do 30. That's all. Got it? Now I will send pictures. Please do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Excuse, ma'am, how to get a debit note, ma'am?
Alt plus F5.
Okay, ma'am. But oh,
Similarly, do credit note. I'll send you assignment. Purchase voucher, it is done, no? 3 vouchers. Similarly, I'll send for sales voucher. I please let me know if the clarity is not shadow on it. Okay, now the first question says first of every month, give first every month. The second question says 10th of every month, give first of every month only. Second question also. Third question says 20th of every month, do second of every month. Fourth question says 25th of every month, do second of every month. First two questions, first of every month. Second two questions, second of every month. Yes? But instead of every month, you do 5 months. 5 months. Now who will share the screen and do? Same way you go to daybook or go to sales, filter that to sales and send me the picture with your name. Now tell me who will share the screen and do. Prapti, Nitya,
Ma'am,
you'll share.
ma'am, I had a doubt.
Who is that? Who is talking?
Ma'am, Drupti.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I'm not able to get the list of go downs in the debit note.
Have you created go downs before?
Yes, ma'am, but whenever I enter, it doesn't come. That Bangalore one.
When you put space bar instead of doing enter,
Yes, ma'am.
you'll share your screen and show.
Yes, ma'am.
By the time I'll take attendance when you're.